Begin configuring your Good News video feed from the content menu by selecting the Good News Video tile. In the next window, you will see a preview on the left with an example of good news. On the right, set a custom name for the feed. Click Customize this feed button at the bottom to choose your delivery method. Available delivery methods are Media RSS or Direct URL. Click the Create Feed button to create your Good News video feed. This feed is included in the Everything plan. Learn more about subscriptions and the Everything plan at screenfeed.com/pricing or click on the video. Did you know that Screenfeed is more than just ready-made feeds? We are your custom data integration and design partner in the digital signage space. Learn more about our full-service creative engineering at screenfeed.com.